Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete products from your Shopify stores. It's really easy to do. You just want to be logged into your Shopify store on the homepage like I am right now. And then you just want to go over to products so it shows all the products that you currently have. Now, if you're looking to delete all your products, you can just go and click on the check mark at the top here so it highlights all your products. But if you're just looking to delete one single product or a couple products, you can go ahead and choose those ones just by clicking on the check mark right beside it. And then once you're done picking all the products that you want to delete, you just want to click on this little arrow here where it says more actions, and then you will see an option to delete products. So just go ahead and click on that, and then just click on delete, and then it will remove that product there for you. I really hope I was able to help you out with this video. If you guys are looking for more Shopify tutorials and tricks, be sure to go check out the playlist I have linked in the description as well as the comment section. Anyhow, if this really helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.